Problems on heat and temperature. Let us solve on some of the problems. Now, the question is calculate the final temperature when 2400 joules of heat is given to an ion of mass 2 kgs at 20 degrees Celsius, and the specific heat capacity is given as 460 joules per kg degree Celsius. Now, coming to the solution, first of all, let us write down the given data. According to the problem, we have mass equals to 2 kg, amount of heat generated equals to 2400 joules, the specific heat capacity as 460 joules per kg degree Celsius, and we have the initial temperature as T1 20 degrees Celsius. Now, according to the heat transfer is given as mass into specific heat into change in temperature. Now, as we have the values of heat, mass, and specific heat, just substitute the values in the equation. We get it as 2400 equals to 2 into 460 into T2 minus T1. Now, on substitution, we get the variable as T2. On simplification, we get T2 equals to 22.6 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the final temperature of the ion in the given condition is 22